Here are the names of various animals, categorized by type. Mammals. Number 1 lion. Number 2 elephant. Number 3 tiger. Number 4 kangaroo. Number 5 dolphin. Number 6 giraffe. Number 7 bear. Number 8 rabbit. Number 9 zebra. Number 10 panda. Birds. Number 1 eagle. Number 2 parrot. Number 3 owl. Number 4 penguin. Number 5 sparrow. Number 6 flamingo. Number 7 peacock. Number 8 crow. Number 9 swan. Number 10 woodpecker. Reptiles. Number 1 snake. Number 2 crocodile. Number 3 lizard. Number 4 tortoise. Number 5 chameleon. Number 6 gecko. Number 7 iguana. Number 8 alligator. Number 9 Komodo dragon. Number 10 python. Fish. Number 1 shark. Number 2 salmon. Number 3 clownfish. Number 4 swordfish. Number 5 tuna. Number 6 goldfish. Number 7 seahorse. Number 8 stingray. Number 9 pufferfish. Number 10 eel. Amphibians. Number 1 frog. Number 2 toad. Number 3 salamander. Number 4 newt. Number 5 axolotl. Insects. Number 1 Butterfly. Number 2. Bee. Number 3. Ant. Number 4. Beetle. Number 5. Dragonfly. Number 6. Mosquito. Number 7. Ladybug. Number 8. Grasshopper. Number 9. Cicada.